Good morning from Buckhead Village District. As most of you know, this is one of our large landscape maintenance clients, but today we're in the middle of a large tree installation project. We actually, if you remember, had a tropical storm Zeta, that came through at the end of October. Well, there are a lot of existing street trees here, and 12 of them were damaged in that storm. So the client has come to us to ask us to replace these trees, and we're going in right now with 52-inch root ball Zelkovas. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on behind me right now. We're 2 trees in right now of 4 that we're trying to do today, and hopefully it continues to go really smoothly. Guys are working hard. We got beautiful weather, fingers crossed, but I just wanted to kind of give you an update what our installation division is doing today. Thank you.